Hi, this is Peter Kim, and this is video exercise 3. For video exercise 3, the slide goes over rhetorical analysis, specifically Jolliffe's web of terms for the rhetorical situation. And so this is my video, which I will not play the entire thing. Then it continues on to explain the next two parts, the rhetorical appeals and the language. So I'll just kind of skip through that. All right, and then the next slide is the drag and drop activity, where students have to drag the category, the term into the specific category. And so I'll do that. And if they get one of them incorrect, when they submit, they just have to rearrange it to find the correct answers. So once they have it correct, oops, what did I do? Oh, here. Once they have it correct, then they can move on. These are my multiple choice questions. The rhetorical situation does not include which of the following. And then they continue if they get it incorrect. Which of the following is part of the rhetorical appeals? If they get it incorrect, it'll be incorrect, and they just have to redo it. And then that's it. So those are my multiple choice questions, and those are the quiz results. That's it. All right, thank you.